Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a soap dispenser drawer on a washing machine. If you have the drawer coming out like this at the end of the cycle, all you're going to have to do is you drill a hole right in the top, and it's hard to see, but down in through the handle, I drilled through there as well, and then right at the back here on these little plastic tabs, drill a hole in there. You grab a bungee cord and it's attached to the back there. So when it comes out like that, all you have to do, put your soap in, latch that on. Now it's not going anywhere. And then when you want to reload, there you go. That's all there is to it. It's a little bit of a redneck fix. So if you have a brand new machine, I wouldn't do it, but this machine's probably about 12 years old, so I have no problem drilling holes in it. Alright, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.